Suzuki high pressure fuel pump replaced. Customer file. Anyway, you got to pull the whole intake manifold off on the other side. A zillion hoses. The way Suzuki routes all that, it's a real thorn in the rear. Can take you half a day getting that out, getting the pump out, getting the new pump in, get it all back together properly. So this is the load test. We started on the water hose, and like I said, this is a customer file, just to show that it's running well. That's Kenneth Walker up there, and it started right up, and that's good because it wouldn't run at all before. We also did an oil change to it, and it doesn't pump a lot of water.
It's probably got some dirt up in it.
Makes good power. There goes the water pump. Stir the tank, we call it. Alright, that's full throttle. And we're doing that because if you pull into the dock, you want to make sure your engine isn't going to stall and have a bunch of problems. You know, want to hit reverse, you want to, you know, like if you're coming in, emergency stop at the dock. Got some good power. Runs good. Kill it. Start it. There we go. Problem solved.